Good morning. I had a message this week from my subscriber who was thinking about buying a drone and wanted to know what it was like over water for family holidays. So I'm popping down to my local beach just to do a few automated shots, orbit, follow, that type of thing, and just to put it through its paces to see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of manual flying first over the water. I'm not going to go too far out because that's just going to be stupid. But I'm going to be using the remote and I'm going to make sure that I've got the Omni terrains come on. So I'm just going to fly the drone straight out and see how it goes. Omni terrains on. So far so good, shoulder steady. It's over water now. Showing, whoa!
Home point updated.
Okay.
Current location is now the home point.
Right, I'm going to turn the drone. So again, put it in the line of view. All I'm going to do is fly it straight out. The first wave to go past. So now it's over the water. So the Omni terrain should keep it steady. Showing 7 meters away from me, and you can see it's bobbing about. Then it quickly dips forward. Still. Then it moves erratically to the left. Right, I didn't do anything then with that movement. So that's bringing it back in. Okay, well, as you saw, I flew my Promax out over the sea. There is no wind, so you can't say that blew it off course. The Omni terrain was on. I was using the controller. It just didn't like going over the water in manual mode. Would I use it again? Definitely not. Okay, I've moved further down the beach now, so I'm on the shoreline. I've got my wellies on, but fingers crossed I'm not going to need them. I'm just going to do some of the automated moves like follow, zoom out, just to see how they perform with the water. Because I think most of the people, if you are going to use it on the beach, this is where you're going to use it, not further out. Wish me luck. And this is a 1.5 meter rise. It does okay, but as you see, it goes off to the right, just above the water. This is a 3 meter rise, but once it reaches the end point, it goes off to the right and then has trouble coming back. Okay, it didn't like the zoom out on 3 meters. As soon as the water came in, it was off. I just tried to do a close follow on flat. It didn't even like taking off over the water. So I'm literally standing in just moist sand. So let's try it again. See if you can see that. Like the dog. Once the surf goes over my wellies underneath the drone, it starts to wobble again. continues to be a bit erratic around me. And a little bit of a problem landing. Right, I'm not going to do any more testing. I think it's pretty obvious from the few that I've done that the drone just doesn't like being anywhere near the water. So I don't want to risk losing my drone. At the end of the day, I paid for it. It wasn't as if it was donated. So the upshot is, don't use it near the water, regardless what the blurb says. It's just not worth losing a drone. So if you did find it useful, do me a favour and subscribe. I want to try and get into double figures. That'd be really great. Until next time. Or if you want to see any other tests, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Bye.